To remove the InstaCut blade holder first, unscrew the silver knob on the black clamp. With a firm grip on the red rotor, push the green and white holder upwards to disconnect it from the USB-C port. Keeping your fingers clear of the tip, slide the white, square, side button forward and the blade should appear. Remove the old blade and discard. Take the new blade and insert the dull end. You should see the magnet draw it into the blade holder, accompanied by pleasant click. Perfectly align the USB-C plug on the white part of the blade with the USB-C socket on the machine rotor. Be careful to place your left index finger underneath the black button, pushing up as you fit them together. Unscrew the bottom metal knob and push down on the white part of the blade until you feel it click into place. Screw it back up and look closely at the blade to make sure you have fitted it correctly. The black bracket should align with the top groove in the green blade. If not, repeat the process. It needs to be correct as the blade is very strong and won't work if they are not aligned properly. Now turn off the machine with a long press of the power button until the screen goes black. Then, with a quick press, turn the machine back on. Now let's calibrate the blade and the machine using either a blank sheet of ballistic glass privacy or a designated calibration sheet. Place it in the machine ready to cut. Click the button called Initiate Cutting Calibration. Remember, you only have to calibrate if you have a new machine or you have changed the blade. Now be careful to count the number of complete cuts made on the bottom of the sheet. If you are using 4-layer films and you later find it does not fully cut through the material, just choose a number 1 or 2 lower than the final clean cut. Here it would be 21 or 20. Select your chosen number on the chart showing on the screen. Then click the red button called Calibration, and you should get a confirmation message. Click the blue X to exit. Congratulations, you are now ready to cut the world's toughest on-demand screen protection.